Jesus Christ, it's recording.
I hate it when it does that. Oh my god, look at that smile.
Stop. Yay! He waved to me! Oh, bless. Hey, I'm Luke.
I'm Josh.
You don't know me. I'm not mental or anything. I may or may not have eaten a bowl of cereal while I widen this.
Seriously?
Since it has cruise. I think if I just hold it long enough, it'll go back up into my deep ass. Oh my god! He is so funny! Can I get a kissy? Can I get a hiki? That's like the only English part in this song. What are you listening to?
It's a genre called funk.
Is it like dubstep techno? Well, that's a plus.
Yeah, I think you'd like it.
What's it called?
P-H-O-N-K, funk.
Remind me next time I get stopped and I'll upload it into my telly. And is it on Pandora or Spotify?
Spotify, yeah.
I like. How long can you be out for?
I'm all yours.
Yay! Mommy's letting us boys ride today. I like that you said you want to expand your riding circle because you only ride with me and Garrett. Yet here we are. Whee! Yo, we shredding, fam.
Yeah, boy.
We shredding. What the hell was that? Oh shit, that's badass. Hold up a second. Hell yeah. Damn, son. My boy's shredding.
So we're gonna go out,
Wow.
over, and back.
Cool. Oh, hello. Oh shit. Oh god, that was a badass ramp. Yeah, boy. Holy shit. Oh, these are wheelie, Robert. Yeah. That was radical, dude.
Bacon 360.
Perfect. Robert, will you do me, please?
Yes.
You want my phone or your phone?
I can use your phone. That way you have your clips.
Yay, thank you, Robert. I love it. Prepare to have your mind blown, pimp.
Deal.
Whoops! Got a little carried away there. Oh, my knee hurts.
Really?
I think I fucked it up when I fell. It's crazy! He's crazy! It's a crazy man! Can you hear me?
A little bit.
Don't worry about it. Please.
I just backed it down on that.
Okay. I have a commercial right now. Oh my God, it's on the X-Games mode! I like! So look at us, just a couple of lucky loos. Yes, quite. I got a wedgie. No, dude, that's plenty tight. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. You got nothing to worry about. So from now on, my bikes remain nameless. If I had to name it, I'd probably name it Borf.
Borf?
Yeah. Not bad, man. I need to take my shirt off though, because it's hot as shit out here.
Okay, show off.
I need to, man.
Get on to.
Appreciate it, dude.
You'll be on your third divorce before you even know it.
Oh man, I hope not.
We'll take your truck, we'll take your body, and then back to square one.
Well, hey, I appreciate it. Have a good one, man.
Is that a knife in his back pocket?
That was absolutely a knife. It was a kitchen knife that I believe he's carrying around for
His third divorcee.
his third divorcee, possibly murdering his fourth guy this week.
Where is he getting access to kitchen knives?
I don't know.
Maybe people are like slowly, they're like, where the fuck is that knife? That guy has his knife.
That guy has them in the waistband of his athletic shorts. You'd think you have a sheath or something.
He does. His butt crack.
That'd be quite the poopy knife. So nice bikes, man. You'll be on your third divorce before you know it. You'll be having chicks all over the place, man. Take your shirt off, flex a little bit. What a pimp. Hi. I'm sure she's splendid.
Sure so.
Yeah, what he said. Getting pretty tired, getting hot in the day. About to call it. Thanks for checking the video out. I know you're a viewer, and then I got like 7 others, so I thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. We're creeping up on 200 subscribers. That's amazing to me.
Oh, shit.
I feel like freaking Johnny Depp in here, man. That's what's up. Anyways, we're about to call it. He's got to go help a buddy move, and I got to go let my dogs out to make a big doo-doo dump. So thanks for watching. We're out of here, fam. Bye.